Hello, and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Turbo, its short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, as I said, if we were going to go a bit lower, we were going to retest this low that was set on February 3rd, and we did so, and we had a nice bounce back up to the POC at 0.004. We were unable to break through the POC, so now we have come back down to test support at around 0.0035. Now, if these levels hold, your next targets to the upside are right around 0.004, and that's about 12%. And once we do clear over 0.004, we can shoot up to the 236 up at 0.0055, and then the point of control is again roughly 14% away, and then the 236 is roughly 60% away. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin, as Bitcoin just had a pretty good sized dump. We were unable to reclaim the $100,000 range, so now we've come back down to test support at around $95,000. Now, what are the next targets to the downside? Well, you have the 382 at 94,700, and it looks like we are coming down to that level pretty quickly. We'll say if we break this level, we are going to be looking to go down to 91,400. And from where we're at, it's roughly 4% to the downside. Now, if those levels hold, your next targets to the upside from there, 96,300 is roughly 2% away. Then you have 99,000, that's roughly 4.5% away. 100,000, that's almost 6% away. And then you have the highs up at around 104 to 109,000, and that's roughly 10% away. Now let's switch over to USDT dominance. USDT dominance just had a surge to the upside, so it's still looking like the dollar is still rising, and that's not good for the risk on assets. So until we break these lows, don't expect alt season. Going back to Turbo, if we do get over the 236, your next targets to the upside are right around the 382, and from where we're at, it's roughly 108% away. And I'd say your highest short-term targets are right around 2 cents, which is roughly 500% away, and as high as 5 cents, which is 1,500% away. And your long-term upside targets are 20 cents to as high as 50 cents. 20 cents is roughly a 57x away, and 50 cents is roughly 141x away. Again, I don't expect it to go to 50 cents. I'm honestly expecting it to top out around 20. So don't be expecting 50 cents. And once it's at 20 cents, you should be selling the majority of your bag. And again, I don't expect those highest targets until the end of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.